Chris Brown's ex-housekeeper demanded the singer sit for a videotaped deposition as part of their court battle over a vicious dog attack, but the singer said he won't appear until certain requests are met. According to court documents obtained by RadarOnline.com, the housekeeper, who used the pseudonym Jane Doe to bring the lawsuit, said she served Brown's company Black Pyramid with a notice for Brown's deposition. Doe scheduled the deposition for November 9, 2023. However, she said days before it was set to go down, Brown's lawyers objected to the notice and claimed that it was untimely served. Further, Brown's team said there was a default entered against Brown in the case in 2022. The lawyers said Brown filed his official answer to the case after the default was entered by the court. Despite him appearing and filing his response, the initial default entered has yet to be vacated. Brown has been attempting to have the default vacated for months, but the housekeeper has refused to work with him on the matter. Brown said he could not appear for a deposition until Doe agreed to set aside the default. As we previously reported, Doe filed her bombshell lawsuit against Brown in July 2021. In her complaint, she claimed to have been working at Brown's home in Tarzana, California on December 12, 2020. She said she wasn't aware that Brown had large vicious, killer attack dogs on his property. On the date in question, Doe said a Caucasian Orvchak/Caucasian Shepherd dog named Hades attacked her while she was taking out the trash. Doe said the animal savagely ripped parts of her face, arms, and body off. She said she lay on the floor bleeding out while attempting to protect her face and body. The housekeeper claimed Brown came outside and instructed his security guards to remove the animal from the home. Doe said she feared for her life during the ordeal. She sued Brown seeking $71 million in damages for her emotional and mental distress, along with medical expenses for her injuries. Brown denied all allegations of wrongdoing against him. He claimed Doe had mistreated Hades and caused the attack. The entertainer said Doe voluntarily teased, abused, and mistreated the dog and thereby provoked the attack. His lawyer wrote, Doe invited the injuries now complained of and assumed the risk of them with full knowledge of the magnitude of that risk, in that she knew her foregoing conduct might cause the dog to attack her, and seriously injure her, both of which events are alleged to have occurred. A judge is yet to rule. As RadarOnline.com, Brown is also facing a lawsuit over the same incident brought by Doe's sister Patricia, who claims she suffered emotional distress from watching the attack on her sister go down.